Today I'm going to be making Banoffee overnight oats. So what I'm going to be using for this recipe is the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder. I've got some rolled oats. I'm using cashew butter, however almond or peanut butter will be great too. Chia seeds, chopped medjool dates, some maple syrup, some almond milk and mashed banana. And then to serve, I'm going to be adding some coconut yogurt and sliced banana on top. So all I'm going to do is simply add all the ingredients except for the yogurt and sliced banana into a bowl. Mix it all together until it's nice and combined. Pop it in the fridge overnight, then it'll be ready to serve the next morning. And then I'll simply garnish with the yogurt and the chopped banana.